Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into one of Excel powerful function. The function name is time function. Either you are organized a schedule, calculating duration, or simply need to handle time date efficiently. In this purpose, the time function is a must know. So let's get started. The time function in Excel is designed to create a time value based on hours, minutes, and seconds. This can be useful for a variety of tasks. Let's break down how to use it. First of all, discuss about time function syntax. First, let's take a look at the syntax of the time function. The basic structure is time function. When you type time and bracket open, you can see here time function syntax. The hours mean this is a number from 0 to 23 representing the hour of the day, and minute, this is a number from 0 to 59 representing the minute, and second, this is a number from 0 to 59 representing the second. Okay, let's put into practice. Suppose we want to create a time value for 2:30:45 p.m. Okay, now here type time function, and you can see here hour, that means 2 p.m. Here you type 14 hour, comma, minute, 30 minute, 30, comma, second, no second. In this purpose, type 0 and hit enter button. You can see here time comes automatically. Okay, now let's look at a practical application. Imagine you have a list of tasks with their duration in hours, minute, second, and you want to convert this into time values, but here our requirement is add 2 hours in this time. Okay, in this purpose, here type time and 2 hours, only 2 hours. We need only 2 hours. In this purpose, hour, that means 2, comma, minute, no minute, comma, second, no second, 0. Okay, bracket close. Then type add sign, plus sign, and select this time. Okay, now hit enter button and fill down. You can see 2 hours add in this time. If you want minutes add in this purpose, type time, hour, no hour, 0, minutes, example 45 minute, type comma, and second, no second. Now bracket close and plus this time. Okay, then hit enter button. You can see that change. So dear viewers, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next time.